class, how's your day? Welcome back to Science Lesson for P4 students with me, Miss Rosa. Today we are going to have a new discussion in Chapter 3 about energy from food. Are you ready for the lesson? Let's start! In this chapter, you will have 3 lessons. First, growing, living, and being healthy. Second, getting energy. Third, producers and consumers. Let's start for the first lesson, growing, living, and being healthy. So in this lesson, you will state what plants and animals need to grow, live, and be healthy. You can open the student's book, page 43 until 44. Can you take a look for this picture? In what ways has the plant changed? The first picture and then the second picture. It's from 3 centimeters and then change into 3 meters. Right, friends, it has grown up. It became taller and bigger. What does the plant need to grow into a tree? Right, it needs food, water, and light to grow. What do plants and animals need? Living things need air, water, and food to stay alive. Living things need food to get energy so they can grow, move, or do their activities. Now let's move on to the second lesson, getting energy. In this lesson, you will explain how plants and animals get the energy. You can open the student's book, page 45 until 47. How do plants get energy? Do you know what is this process? Right, friends, it's photosynthesis. So, if you see here the green color on the leaves is chlorophyll, green substance on the leaves that traps the light for photosynthesis. So, the photosynthesis here helps the plants to make their own food. That's why here the plants can get the energy for the whole plants. And then now, how do animals get energy? As we know, animals do not make their own food. For example here, rabbit. The rabbit gets energy by eating plants. And then here I have another example, the seagull. The seagull gets energy by eating the fish. Now let's talk about the lesson 3, producers and consumers. In this lesson, you will describe what food chains are made up of. So you can open the student's book, page 49 until 53. Can you take a look for this picture, friends? What is this? Right, this one is a food chain. So, in this picture, we have plants and grasshopper, and then mouse, snake, and eagle. So, on this picture, the plants here is eaten by the grasshopper. And then the mouse here eats the grasshopper. Then the snake eats the mouse, and then the eagle eats the snake. When the eagle dies, fungi break down the body and turn them into the nutrition that is important for the plants. We call it here is a cycle, right? So the cycle here is the food chain. The food chain here is made of producers and consumers. All a food chain start with the producers, which is the plant. So the plants here make their own food, and all the animals here are consumers. Now, what are herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores? Can you see for this identification key? So if we see here, friends, we will see the category of the animals by seeing what they eat. The first one, carnivores, the animals that only eat other animals. For example, lion, shark, and crocodile. And then herbivores, animals that only eat plants. For example, elephant, cow, and deer. While for omnivores, animals that eat both plants and animals. For example, we have bear and mouse. And for the fact here, friends, human is also omnivore. So friends, I think that's all for our lesson today. Thank you so much for watching my explanation. See you again for the next lesson, friends. Bye everyone.